Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Krishna. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a custom animation and it looks amazing. So at the end of this animation it looks like as if it was done using some animation tool or graphics tool, but using this concept called morphing you can create an amazing animation or transition, right? Okay, let me show you first how it looks and then I'll explain how to do that. And it is very simple, but if you want to add more content it will be tedious. All right, so let's see how it works. I'm gonna start the slideshow first and then explain how to do that. Right, so this is a image I have captured from my channel. Okay, I would like to highlight something here. So yeah, zoom into the content whatever you want to show, zoom back and then highlight the some other section, zoom back, zoom into some more sections, and again you can highlight whatever you want. Okay, get rid of the image. So this is an example. So next example. Okay, this is a simple you can consider this as a pie chart slices. So the ideal use case would be all the slides of a pie chart coming in and assembling together to form a pie chart, complete pie chart. I mean, you can add the uh, styling. So this is a simple demonstration. Okay, so the next thing is amazing. So here I will form a sent word out of the alphabets taken from different places in the slide. Okay, all of them fly in and form a single sentence or word. Right, this is amazing, right? Personally I like this very much. Okay, this actually tedious because each of these letter is a word art, so you need to create at least 26 word art, or maybe more or maybe less based on your requirement. So this is kind of a tedious job to create all this word art individually. But again, the transition creation is just a clicking, I mean just 2 clicks. All right, so you can add this custom animation by means of transition. All right, so guys, that is how it looks. Now I'm gonna explain how it looks. Okay, let's see it again. Of course you can add some music. All right, so let's see how to do that. I'm gonna open a new, okay, new slide, I mean new PPT. Okay, so I will copy from my, I'll copy this image to the new slide, new PPT. Get rid of this and I'm keeping this for the entire slide. Okay, so you need to create a duplicate of this because the mop is the mop option is between the transition. Okay, remember it's not between the object but it's between the slides. All right, so I'm gonna copy this, duplicate, make sure that these two are identical, otherwise it will be like the first slide will disappear and this will appear. Instead we want to animate the image or text, whatever, so you have to keep this identical. So in the next slide, you add whatever animation you want to. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom into, or say at this video, right? So come back, zoom into. Okay, I'm making my slide look smaller so that I will get the more area covered. Okay, yep. I think this is better. You can see the preview here. If you want to still, okay, yep. So this is one transition. I mean one transition. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna click on morph. So the second slide you have to select morph, not the first one. Okay, let me see this how it looks. Okay, this is the first slide. Click, zoom in. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna do more animation further to this. Okay, first I'll zoom back so I'll get entire okay, now it's back to normal. Gonna insert one more slide. Okay, this time I'm gonna rotate this screen and keep it to the okay, and introduce something here in this. Okay, I'll add one. Remember, this is just a text and will not get better animation. Okay, let's see. Okay, the object which is newly created will just appear, but the image which is from the previous slide will morph or change its shape. Okay, so coming back to the letter, I'm going to insert one more slide. This is an empty slide. So for demonstration, I will just use few letters. Okay, you can keep it outside. C, or else I can copy from my previous PPT. Okay, that's a good idea. I insert a new slide. Let's duplicate. Okay, I will create a word card. Okay, something like top. I'll keep it minimal. Make it big. Shit. And then P. Let's get rid of this. Okay, rest. I'm gonna delete everything. Yeah. Okay, go to transition, say mop. Okay, can add one more slide. So this time what happens? This will be converted into pot. Okay, I'll make it bigger. Should I? Let's preview this from the beginning. Okay, click, zoom in. Okay, yeah. Okay, this I didn't want it, but anyway.